Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terravellini, and in this video I'm going to share my brand new gutters. So it's been a while. These have been on order for a period of time, but the roof was done a while ago, so they finally got the gutters installed. Nice downspouts and nice black gutters to help trim everything out. I'll go ahead and go out to the front and show you what that looks like real quick. So they did a really good job. They got them on the front here, all along the front of the house there. One thing I'm not thrilled about is that there are areas that did not get gutters that could use them. So there's like a span here, and there's another span on the other side of the house, and I can show you some of the erosion that it's causing without gutters. The reason they didn't put gutters here is because they didn't have gutters there before, and it wasn't covered by insurance. Basically, insurance covered partial damage on the gutters that were here because of hail damage. And I'm glad they replaced or cover what they did, but I'm still not happy over here. So with this whole span here, you can see the kind of erosion from the water leaking off of the roof, this whole line down here, and there's a big spot right here. So there's a lot of water coming in here, and it's just kind of like eroding away the dirt away from the house, which isn't good. So I think I'm going to have them install a span of gutters here on the other side to kind of help finish everything out and not have these issues continue to get worse. So anyways, I just wanted to share the updates on the gutters, and if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.